Are you missing the Microsoft Tools Library DLL? I'm Sophie Chen, a Windows System Specialist, and I'll help you fix this system error right now. To kick off the Microsoft Tools Library walkthrough, I've linked a professional resource to help maintain system-level configuration. This is the Microsoft Tools Library, a generic naming convention used by dozens of proprietary software suites, from specialized web tools to CAD suites, to house their shared utility functions. Because it lacks a standardized parent, its absence points to a broken installation that requires the original installer to restore. Now let's dive into the solution, starting with a standard reinstallation. Mstools acts as a vital connection for localized application tool logic operations, and downloading a fresh installer for the program, showing the error is the only way to repair the damaged binaries found in the app folder. If the application still won't initialize, we need to shift our focus to how the Windows loader is interacting with the library. If your system has been running for an extended period, a reboot might be necessary to resync your background processes and clear any temporary locks on the Microsoft Tools library file. To avoid losing your place during the restart, bookmark this page now, or hit the like button to save this video to your library for easy access later. I know it's frustrating if the restart didn't work, but don't worry, we have a more advanced solution ready. If you need to pause the video to take a breath, please do. If the restart didn't fix the library error, we need to manually repair the specific C++ redistributable package. First, go to Control Panel, then select Programs and Features. Second, find every Microsoft Visual C++ redistributable, 2005 through 2022. Third, right-click each and select Change, then select Repair. If that fails, download the latest all-in-one VC++ redistributable package from Microsoft's website. Please note that for DLL files with numbers, the number tells you which version to repair. For example, 120 equals 2013. To avoid future system conflicts, there is one specific security trap we should discuss. Remember that Microsoft Tools Library DLL is part of a complex ecosystem. Changing it manually without updating its dependencies can lead to permanent errors. To support your system's overall health without the complexity of manual directory management, a maintenance utility is a solid option. If library conflicts or resource allocation issues are present, the link below provides general information on managing Microsoft Tools Library dependencies. Liking this video tells us which technical fixes, like this one from Microsoft Tools Library, are most helpful to you. Subscribe now to build your own library of verified support resources.